Okay, so how to make the right decisions. Okay, so you ever been to Zara, yeah? And you're there trying to figure out what to buy. Then you check your account balance online and then you're like, yeah, I know what to buy. No, that's happened to me so many times, guys. Alright, seriously now, let's figure out how you make that right decision. Okay, so guys, there are decisions in life that are difficult to make. Loads. Different levels of decisions, like things like who you're going to marry, what career path you want to take, whether to leave that marriage because the man's beaten you. I mean, it can go on and on and on. But guys, pay attention. We can never always make the right decisions all the time, for real. Only God is perfect like that, not us. I mean, reality is you're going to make wrong decisions sometimes. But what you want to do is weigh the consequences and see which ones that you can bear. Because your decisions should always be made with integrity. Like, you think about it. What is the best thing for you? So firstly, I want you to realize that other things like our plans or how we want things to go may color our decision making. So what do? You have to trust yourself. Be confident in your decision making. You may have to ask people who are more experienced in that field or just people who you think are wiser than you are, right? Secondly, be aware of what you want. But to do this, you have to know you. Like, how can you bake a cake if you don't know what ingredients to use, right? Ask for advice, like from individuals who are like successful and they know what they're doing. If you don't have people like that around you, ask your friends, people who care about you, who want the best for you. Like, what they do is they can help you spot your blind spots. Like, they can tell you what you don't see about yourself or that situation at hand. But know that making no decision is also a decision, because if you choose to do that, other people who don't even know you, they will make that decision for you and they don't know what's best for you. Only you do. But also be ready to accept that the decision that you end up making may not turn out exactly the way you want it to. Know that every decision you make will come with its consequences. Thirdly, you have to be ready to accept the consequences, whether good or bad. What do you do when that happens, when it turns out bad, right? Be prepared to learn from that experience and use it to help you grow. Because you learn from every experience, right? But guys, to summarize, trust in yourself, know what you want, have all the information available to make that right decision, and weigh the consequences, then choose the one you can bear with. Lastly, just ask for guidance, guys, and leave the rest to God. Remember, only you know what's best for you. Really short one for today, guys. But until next time, honestly, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, leave your comments down below, and I will see you in my next video.